Hello beautiful people. The reason why I don't have that much makeup on is solely purpose to how I wanted to show you guys how I do my brows. So brows is a big part of like our makeup routine. Even if you just put your brows on and you leave, you look a little put together. So I always get so many questions on how I do my brows and what products I use, how do I make them look so natural yet I use makeup. So all the questions will be answered in this video right here. The only products that you need is this lovey-dovey pencil. It's precisely my brow pencil by Benefit Cosmetics. It is super pretty to have too. Oh my god, I love it so much. Anyways, I have like 4 of these and I love them. And then another product that you need is a concealer. Any concealer and you're good to go. Okay, so if you guys want to know how I created my brows, literally created my brows, make sure you guys keep watching this video. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any content. Thank you once again for all the love. I'm hosting a lot of giveaways on my henna page and my makeup page, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Don't mind my hair, they are frizzy. I just washed them, they're still wet. So I'm just letting them air dry, you know. By the way, I also don't mind my like gold face, you guys. Quarantine, I've been like eating a lot. So let me explain the product to you guys. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil. It is by Benefit Cosmetics. On the one end, it has the pencil portion, super pigmented, love it. One of my best pencils out there. Honestly, I've tried a couple and I've never stuck to a pencil. I've only stuck to this one. And on the other side, it has a spoolie, which I love. So let's just get right into the tutorial. Before anyone asks me, because I know that a lot of you guys are going to ask me the shade, it is 4.5. I think it's deep brown. Anyways, okay, so I'm just gonna open it up and we will start. What I like to start with is I like to outline this part of my brow. So very lightly, we don't want a lot of product on there. Once you get to this side, we're gonna do the same thing on this side, but once you get here, you can literally go a little harder. We don't want it to look super dramatic, so we're gonna do lighter here and like a darker effect here. Now that we do have the line over here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same outline the top of my brow, and lighter from here and darker towards the end. Okay, I know it looks very disturbing right now, but trust me, we'll get there. So what we're gonna do is start filling out this part of my brow. And just like that, hair like strokes. But whatever way your hair is going, that's how your strokes should be, just to make it look more natural. I know a lot of you guys struggle with the front of the brows, so I'm gonna show you a trick. So what you can do is layer the product on right here at the bottom. And what you can do, I'm just gonna switch it to my spoolie and I'm gonna brush it out. And you know what it does? It takes the product from right here and it blends it throughout the whole brow. And it also takes off the excess. And voila, here you go, you have your brow. So I filled in both of my eyebrows. I am gonna give you guys a tip. So a lot of people don't know what concealing their brows mean. I've taught a lot of online classes and I've also shared a lot of my tips and tricks showing them how to conceal their eyebrows because it makes such a big difference. So I'm gonna conceal one of them and I'm gonna show you how clean it looks compared to the other one. So I'm just gonna take a flat brush like this. You guys can take a smaller one. I don't know where my smaller one is, so I'm just gonna go in with this. And the concealer I'm using is the Pro Conceal. It's one of my favorite concealers out there. Super affordable, doesn't hurt the pocket at all. I'm not cheap, I don't like when my pocket gets hurt. Okay, so I do invest in one of these and get a flat brush and we're just gonna outline our brow and clean off the edges. just because I have a lot of grown hair here and I'm just trying to clean it up. You can't really see it on the camera, but trust me, in real life I'm looking at it and like, oh my god, it's a shit show. Okay, so I'm just gonna outline it very carefully. Okay, I know it looks a little off. The reason why is that we have a lot of concealer and we didn't blend it, so I'm just gonna blend it in. If you want to go in with your beauty blender, you can. Be very precise about it. So this side, it completely looks lifted. It completely looks like a nice clean canvas that you really want for your eyeshadow as well, but it just gives a different lift. Like I love concealing my eyebrows, and I suggest you guys to do the same. It is a game changer. So look at that. My brows, like I literally got Botox. I don't know what to say, but ooh. Do you see that? And they don't look like I have a lot of makeup on. Thanks to this pencil. I freaking love it. I recommend this. Honestly, Sephora has like so many sales going on where they come out with this and like a mini size as well, just for the price of one. So I bought 2 of them just because I loved them so much. You guys should also check it out. I really hope that this tutorial helped you guys. If you guys did like it, don't forget to press that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be dropping a lot more videos. I know I say this a lot, but I swear I'm serious this time. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I post there daily, brand new videos, brand new content dropping every single day. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next videos. Bye!